So I've watched some videos and saw some Instagram posts of 3D printed indicator holders for the AXA tool post. And the one that I like the most is the one that Mr. Pete printed up, and from Moon is My Home on Thingiverse. The problem with that one is that it's developed specifically for the smaller SHARS indicator, and I didn't want to buy one of those specifically just for this. So I came up with this one, and my theory on this was, with having both dovetails, is that I could do both the OD and the face with only using one indicator. And the problem with this one is that it puts the indicator too far forward, and I have to bring my cross slide really far back. So then I printed this one, and it still has the dual dovetails, but it brings the center of the indicator back to where the center of the tool post is. And this one is a fairly tight fit, but as you can see, there's plenty of room. So that's actually just a piece of scrap I was sitting in vapor rust up to that line right there. The relief here is actually for the bezel clamp, but it allows you to grab the end of the rod there and pull it back if you were to tap on it or whatever. So with that, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.